I love observing the changing colors of the sky from our balcony, especially during the monsoon season, when the sky erupts into a magnificent display of dramatic colors. So I'm just cooling down from a little run that I did. And then I suddenly realized that, oh my god, what are the colors there outside? This is one of the most spectacular sunsets in a good while. I love it. Oh, just look at that. Oh, can world be more spectacular? This is my first monsoon here in Kerala, and I'm absolutely in love with it. As you might have seen in my previous videos, our house is completely surrounded by trees, hills, and overlooks the sea in the distance. I couldn't have dreamt of a better home. But living in a jungle-like environment also means that you share it with all the other animals and creatures. Jackals are our companions every night, but the good thing is they're quite timid animals and usually go quiet at my husband's shushing. What?
So, what's cooking?
Chicken biryani, because it's Sunday! Biryani day! Just turning the chicken here for an even cooking. So we have the chicken biryani with papat, and then of course we have raita here. Seriously, can you have biryani without raita? Can you, Vinod?
No.
Exactly. There aren't too many reasons why I would abandon my food, but I just gotta show you guys this. Oh, at least my plants are getting watered. It just suddenly absolutely started pouring. You can't see anything anymore. And it's so loud inside. And it's so dark during the monsoon, like every day, that we just have to keep turning the lights on all the time, even though it's only lunchtime now. And here I thought that, yeah, our electricity bill will go down after the summer when we stop using the AC. Maybe not. Friends, there's something that I really want to show you about all the major issues that we have here now during the monsoon season. I mean, just take a look at our balcony door. This does not bode well for the monsoon. Even a slightest crack or open hole anywhere is bound to be major insect attack way. And there are so many insects that we have here all the time, even though we clean the house like twice or thrice a day. And here you can even see, like, oh, just look at that cobweb. There's even more there, like high at the ceiling line. And yeah, there you can see the seepage. Oh dear God, I really hope that we get some maintenance here pretty soon. Yeah, cobwebs means that there are tons of spiders here too. And for someone who is slightly scared of spiders and snakes and anything that is basically bigger than an ant, I have never ever in Finland seen a big spider, but now we've had so many of those here. And this guy here refuses to kill spiders even for his beloved wife. I mean, like, seriously? I thought that Haryana men are like warriors, but
The spiders have 8 legs. So 8-legged creatures.
I don't care how many legs they have. I think it's worse if they have more.
Spiders are not insects. This is their home too. Look at, like, it takes a lot of time to make this cobwebs and stuff, and look at how many insects that they have caught. So they are catching insects and helping us. So spiders and lizards are our friends, babe. They are our
Not
friends.
the ones that are the size of my fist. Like, seriously, what if the spider kills me?
Hey, Johanna.
Why would you do that?
I killed it.
Of late, the jackals have been howling really loud, mostly in the middle of the night. It's becoming increasingly difficult for me to sleep, especially when we have them howling right outside our bedroom window.
Can't see anything.
Sambar once again. I have one huge goal in my life, and that is to eat as much of my Indian food favorites as I can. So that's like chicken biryani, sambar, dosa, idli, everything, rice. Yep, I'll just live with that. Second evening in a row on our evening walk. This is so peaceful. And just look at this view. Ah, absolute serene beauty. Ah, I am so lucky to be here in Kerala. And seriously, can you hear the ocean? It is so crazy how loud it is. I just love it here so much. Behind these dramatic clouds, there is a spectacular sunset somewhere there. I'm also learning about wild animals here. So apparently we have porcupine spikes here. Maybe there has been some kind of major fight. And see here, so many spikes. The road is just full of those. I've never even actually seen a porcupine, but this is really interesting. I thought that I thought that these were something that was like dropping from the trees or something.
I have challenged my husband to catch the jackals on camera, but so far he hasn't been lucky.
Chai and smoothie time and Amazon delivery time. And yeah, here I have some skin cosmetics, a face mask / wash, some face mist, and then another face wash. Okay, so one like huge like mystery to me is GERDs. I don't mean like mystery as in cooking, like I cook all of these so well that I can't even decide which one is my favorite. Like I know that you don't really appreciate, especially like bitter gourd, karela, that much in like especially the Indian kids' minds. and then I guess you grow up to hate it as a grown-up too. And yeah, these aren't that like well valued even in Indian restaurants, because like I can't understand how you never get these in Indian restaurants. Like, these are some of my favorite veggies. Like, you get aloo everywhere all the time. It's just like aloo, aloo, aloo. Sometimes maybe like gajar and gobi and matar. And then there is like, in the veg list, more paneer dishes than actual vegetables. When you have all these wonderful vegetables, so plentiful in India. I love karela, I love loki, and I love rich curd, which I'm cooking today. I can't even decide which one of these is my favorite because I love each of them so much. I really want to eat these more in restaurants. And like, seriously, when I ask waiters what is there for vegetables, it's like paneer, 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 paneer. Maybe not that much in South India, because here with your South Indian meals you do actually get like a couple of like really good veg thoran dishes, which are not paneer or even aloo. But why don't you have much more variety of vegetables in the restaurants of these? And kaddu! Get kaddu into restaurants! Seriously? Seriously. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking now.
I used to think birdsong was one of the most beautiful calming things to enjoy, but this is absolutely untrue during my nap time. Forget the jackals. Our birds here have started giving them a good run for their money and give us loud concerts during the day when the jackals are quiet. All of this beats the traffic noise hands down, of course. It's a real privilege to have a nice and happy home, to live in a small Indian village in the middle of peaceful nature where you get to enjoy your life, even during a big global health and economic crisis. I am missing our families and friends in North India and Finland a lot, but to be honest, I don't miss traveling or going even to the city very much now. Our normal days at home are the most exciting adventure this year.